I need it for the book. Fantastic. Rubbish video. Good day for me. £250, 50p's, all in sealed bags by the looks of things. Mixture of Shields and Britannias, so that's a good sign. The 21st of the 4th, 23. Right, first bag. Let's get this open. Oh, we got a Ironside there. I'll leave that towards the bottom. So Britannia to start with. There's one Britannia that's worth looking out for, which is the 2008 low mintage. Apart from that, there's no NIFCs with Britannias. Shields though, and that's the shield, part of the shield design. There's the years 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18, 21. There are all NIFCs, not intended for circulation. And there's a 2017, which is a low mintage year also. And that's the Ironside. And that is the first and only commemorative from that first bag. There we go. I mean, I guess that's a pretty cool way to start. It's a great coin. Yay. I've got it's quite warm, so I've got the door to the cabin open. And the council are out cleaning up the park. There's a chainsaw going off somewhere in the background. So, don't know if you can hear that. But, yeah. Council workers driving their little buggies around in the park. So apologies if there's any external noises that you can hear. Oh, there we go. What's the chance of this being NHS or Windrush or Coronation coin, of course? Yes, could be. Let's have a look. Oh, dropped it. Fluffed that one, didn't I? There we go, it's the immemorial coin. Oh. You got one job to do, Trevor. You just got one job to do. Flip those coins. All the Commonwealth Games 2014. Funny condition, that one. Don't know what's happened to that. All the shine and luster, if you want to call it that, has gone from that. Ah. $2022 there. Let's get rid of these. Right, 2022. Make a better job of flipping this one over. It's a pride. Cool. Oh, I just realised, got the little pre-tears in the bags. Haven't seen them for a while. Got a couple in that bag. We've got the blah 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 blah. What's it called? Victoria Cross. And I only realised that because I saw the VC on the coin. Victoria Cross medals and public libraries. There we go. Two very common coins together. All right. Oh, there we go. Mr. Peter Rabbit 2017. Nice and shiny version of that. Nice one. we go, Paddington at the station, my favourite Paddington coin. Very nice, nice condition. That is great actually, very nice condition. Ah, good find. There we go, found another memorial coin. Second one of those. And we also found our first Benjamin Bunny of this hunt. Is it going to be a die rotation error? Probably not. No. That looks all good, doesn't it? There we go. Benjamin Bunny 2017. Right next to Peter. Oh, and on that one, Girl Guides. Bust bag, maybe the first. Come on, NHS. Right, a couple more in that bag. I think I've only had one bust bag so far, which is a bit weird. Anyway, which is good. In a good way, it's good that I'm getting lots of finds, so that's cool. Another Ironside, Christopher of Ironside, and a Brexit. There we go. There we go, something I haven't found in a little while. Getting rarer and rarer. The old Arthur Conan Doyle, Sherlock Holmes. Bit grubby there today though, Sherlock. Come on, man. Yeah. Look after yourself a bit more than that, mate. I don't know what I'm saying. I have no idea. Just babbling. Almost didn't spot this one. Almost chucked that back to the bank. So it does make you think, what else have I missed over the years? That's Mrs. Tiggywinkle, 2016. Not as good as the one we found, episode 30, 31, can't remember now. There we go, 2016. Palace. Forgot. Oh, very nice double. First one I spotted was the WWF, and we got a Gloucester, Taylor of Gloucester. Nice bag. Yes, WWF. Very nice. And a Taylor of Gloucester. Very, very nice. I'm going to give the star find to the WWF, really, I think, today, because, like I say, we don't find that often enough. And I need it for the book. Fantastic. Good day. Rubbish video. Good day for me. Okay, so in that penultimate bag, just found a 70th anniversary or the platinum anniversary coin. Very nice. That design I am liking more and more and more as the years roll by. 2022, so we haven't had many years roll by, have we? Anyway, just saying, constantly growing on me, that design, so good. I'm loving the fact we are very low on the bus bag counter. I think I've only had 2, maybe 3, but I definitely know it's 2-ish. So last bag, we got Shields and Britannias. Another Benjamin Bunny, a very good condition Benjamin Bunny. Very nice. Let's have a little flip over. Very nice. Unfortunately, it's a good one. We got another Brexit. Yeah. What else we got? Come on, last bag luck. Oh well, there we go, all done. So no Olympics, which is quite strange for me. No Olympics, but we did get one for the book. So Star Find is definitely this WWF best find of the day. What a stunning coin. Many of you say this is your favourite coin. So we'll put that in the book. We got 3 Benjamin Bunnies to sign and return to the wild. Taylor of Gloucester I'll hang on to. Oh, memorial coins. Do I hang on to them or not? I think not. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 prides. I think my record's 9, is it? Anywho, WWF into the book. Get it up the right way. 2011. What a good year for coins. There we go. Another one for the book. We've got a couple there. We've got 2 there. We got 4 on that page. 9, 10. Pesky Peter Rabbit 2018. So what's that? 11 coins. 12 coins if you think about the coronation coin. There we go. So 12 coins missing from the album. We're in the mid-30s of videos. So going good, I think. Going very good. Anyway, thanks for watching to the end, guys. I do appreciate it. Until the next video, please keep looking out for those wonderful coins to collect.